Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Hotligh. Now this here is their mechanic work light. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review it, feature it here on my channel. I've done a review for them in the past. They wanted another one from me here, showcasing this light. Comes in this box, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. A USB Type-C charging cable. Make sure nothing else is down in there. There we go. A little thank you card from them with a scanning QR. Twist it up a little bit here on the manual. Pretty straightforward. Easy to operate this. Quick guide. These are very budget friendly. This has some weight to it. Right offhand, you can hang it, so you can work it with it anywhere on your vehicle, in the house, around the garage, anywhere you need light. Not sure if this is magnetic. I'm gonna see. And it is. It's got a rubber textured bottom on this. That is really nice. The battery is in it. Well, let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. Oh yeah, there it is. As you can see, it's got a nice COB LED. And there, show it up to close. So it looks like you could just set this down, aim the light wherever you need it. Actually, there's another set of LEDs there, so you could use it as a regular flashlight. Let's see here, close it. Oh yeah, you use it as a flashlight, carry it like that as well. It does have a dial feature there with a push button switch. This is very easy. There's no clicking or anything like that, just a smooth man, this nice style and design on this. This is aluminum here on the back. I would assume that this will generate some heat. And it looks like the battery is sealed. Oh, maybe this would twist off, but it doesn't. You could set it down like this if you want to aim the light as well. And the machining and finish on this is nice as well. It has a rubber. Yeah, maybe the bottom is just rubber only. Sides are like a textured right up here around the joint. Alright, well normally I'd open it up, show you the battery, but this is a sealed unit. Before I go through the UI, let's show you the charging port there. This looks like it's a battery level indicator there as well. Now the dial here has your different icons right here on what it's, right now it's locked out. we're going to move it one up. We're going to turn it on. Oh. Wow. High and low. Those are your preset modes, but you can, thing is bright. You can press and hold to raise it up and ramp it up in between if you wish. Or you can ramp it back down to get that exact light output that you need. Take a look here. Definitely is a cool white. That is a lot of light. Man. I was not expecting it to be that bright. Now let me turn it off so it always comes on the highest output. So I wish it was the other way around. So now we're going to go to the next setting. That is definitely a 3700 Kelvin. Definitely is warm white. I'll ramp it down. Remember, you can ramp it down 2 light levels that are memorized. There's the beam there for all you warm colored fans. I'll go to the next. So here's the LEDs on the front. Now this has gotten pretty warm back here on this aluminum plate here, so that's definitely, so you can carry this like a flashlight. Definitely is more of a flood. Show you the beam here. It's just pretty much a floodlight. Take it out of the beam. See, it's about the same. And if you press and hold, so there's no ramping on this LED, just high and low, cool white. Turn it on here. You have the UV LED. Battery level indicator on the back. Only one light output on there. It's very faint. That is a nice beam. Turn it back on here. So you got cool white. No PWM at all. That is nice. Definitely going to be using this when I'm working on the car next. I really like the beam on here. Put it on the lower, show you the beams, how they look here, all along. And then the warm white, they're in between those. See how they change? Right next to each other. I like the fact that you can change it from one color temp to the other without having to turn the light back. Stays on that level that you're on. UV. Easy to operate this. Nothing difficult. it's pretty warm here on this aluminum plate back here. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this. Feels rugged, not seeing any issues there. Even if you're camping with it, this will light up a large area at once. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this Hotligh out to my garage and let's see how it does out there. We are out here in the darkness of my garage. Got the Hotligh worklight. Thing is amazing. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it on the warm. As you can see, full battery power. I mean, what else can I say? This is warm white. A little too warm for me, but doable, especially when you're working on a car. You can ramp it down a little bit. We'll ramp it down to right there. It'll blink, let you know. So it's a little easier on the eyes. So, yeah, this is impressive. Let's go to cool white here. So you're seeing how the blending works there. Same light output. This thing has insane brightness. You ceiling bounce it. You use this thing for anything. It's going to be my new go-to light. And now let's go to the flashlight portion. Of course, this can go up a little bit higher, I believe. Nope. Oh, downward, that's right. At high, low, cool white. So just more of a directional thing. Nice. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. This is definitely a keeper for me. I like the performance on this light. Now the battery, we'll check it and see how it does on my next job, whether it be an oil change, especially with the heat. We're being hit by a heat wave here and unbearable, so you got to do everything at night. The ability to have two color temps on there so you can appeal to both people that like color temperature, whether it be warm or cool white. You've got that. You've got UV if you want to. A mechanic, you're gonna put a dye in your engine, see where the oil leak is. You can use this UV. It's not a real strong one, but it will do the job. You can USB charge this in between jobs. I like the fact that you can place this upright on a metal surface for hands-free. You can even use it as a little flashlight. Want to get way up in there and get some light, you could use this flashlight here, or you can carry it like this and be able to use the light. This does get pretty toasty on the higher outputs. I did notice after I tested it, I sat it out there for about 20 minutes, it had cycled down quite a bit, but this was still warm, but the light output was still very nice. I like the dial. It's pretty much easy. Put this anywhere you want, lock it out so you don't accidentally turn it on. You can hang it as well. When you're hanging it up, it's a little bit, if this was, the head could swivel, you could hang it upside down and then have this completely swiveled the other way. If this swiveled the other way to where to aim all the light downward, it would have been ideal. But in any case, you can hang it up and have the light shoot out any direction that you want to the side. Clip it, put it away, keep it in your vehicle, have it for emergencies. It really is a pretty durable light. I'm not seeing any issues with this. Feels rugged. Battery level indicator lets you know what your battery level is at the spur of the moment. Alright, well, I want to thank Hotligh for sending me this mechanic flashlight, worklight, to review. Definitely is a keeper for me. I'm going to leave a link down below this video to their Amazon store. They are having a special sales event, but I'm also working on a discount code to help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way can bring more of these work lights from Hotligh to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.